Welcome back, students. In this class we continue circles chapter 4 exercise 4.2. So in the previous class we completed the 4.1 exercise. We'll continue the 4.2 exercise in this class. The first problem here is from a point Q. I've already drawn the diagram. So from this diagram they have not given in the textbook. So start from the point Q. This is the point Q and write a circle here. I will mention a point here, just mark a point here, then this is a circle. Then from a point Q, from this point, the length of from here, draw a tangent to the circle. So we have drawn the tangent to the circle. This becomes Q and also a straight line to the center of the circle. Mark it as O. Then connect this triangle, that is OQ. So this is the problem. So now the tangent distance is 24 centimeters and the distance of Q from the center is 25. So OQ is 25 is given. So we have to find out the radius of the circle. So there are 4 options they have given. So we have to start the problem. So the first step is we'll consider this triangle. So in the triangle, that is OPQ. So what is the angle P here? Angle P is equal to 90 degrees. So now we applying Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem to the triangle. So applying this, what we can get, that is OP square plus PQ square is equal to OQ square. So substitute the values, that is we don't know, we have to calculate this. So OP is equal to how much? So this is the radius. Is the radius. And the line down to the end of the circle will become diameter. So half of the diameter is the radius. So after this, we'll substitute the values. OP square is the radius which we have to find out, and PQ square, PQ is given as 24 the square, then OQ is given as 25 centimeters. So here I'll write PQ is equal to 24 centimeters and OQ is equal to 25 centimeters. Now we calculate this. OP square plus square this 24, we get 576 is equal to 25 square, we get 625. So now OP square is equal to 625 minus 576, therefore OP square is equal to 49, where since this is square, OP is equal to 7. 7 into 7 is 49. Therefore answer is 7 centimeter is the radius of the circle. So option given in the problem is option A is the correct answer. So we completed the first problem, we move on to the second one. Second problem given is, in the given figure, if TP and TQ, this is the figure given in the textbook. So in the given figure, if TP and TQ are 2 tangents, these are the 2 tangents to a circle with a center O, so that POQ is equal, they have given us 1 POQ is equal to 110 degrees. So PET and QT are the tangents to the circle for the center is given O. So this is given, then we have to find out PTQ equal to. So here in the problem they have given, here also they have given 4 options, so we have to write the options. So I'll write here option A is given as 60 degrees, option B is given as 70 degrees, then option C as 80, and option D as 90 degrees. So these are the four options. First three problems is multiple choice, means four answers they have given. You have to select the one correct answer. So what we have to find, PTQ equal to what is the option, means what is the degree we have to find out. So first step here is, so angle is given, POQ is 110 degree. So now first step, OP is perpendicular to PT. OP is perpendicular to PT. Next step, OQ is perpendicular to QT. And right here, OQ perpendicular to QT. These are angle between radius and tangent. Radius and tangent. So now, so therefore we have triangle OPT is equal to triangle OPT is equal to triangle OQT, which is equal to 90 degrees. So what we get here see, we'll complete the diagram, means we get a quadrilateral. So next step is OPTQ is a quadrilateral. So now we sum all the angles of the quadrilateral. Therefore we can write as angle O, this is angle O plus angle P plus angle Q plus angle T is equal to how much? The sum of all the angles of the quadrilateral is 360 degrees. So now substitute for this, that is angle O is how much? 110, that is 110 they have given here. So plus P is how much? 90 degrees. Then Q is how much? 90 degrees. Plus T we have to find out. So T comes here, that is PTQ. Substituting, which is equal to 360 degrees. Now add all these, we get 290 degrees. So plus T is equal to 360 degrees. Therefore T is equal to 360 degrees minus 290 degrees, which is equal to 70 degrees. Finally, triangle PTQ is equal to 70 degree. So which is the option? That is the option B is the correct answer. So this is the way to solve the second problem. We move on to the third one. Third one also same thing, multiple choice. Four options are given. We have to select the correct option. So tangents, the tangent PA, so first I'll write the diagram here. So the diagram is like this, a circle is drawn and this is the line, therefore here one radii, here one, and a circle having more than one radius is called as a radii. So this is A radii, this is B radii. This is the center of the circle. Then join these two. These are the tangents to the circle. So I'm just writing the rough diagrams. P, then this is given as 80 degrees. These are the two radius. So take a note that radius, first I'll write radius is a radius, this one will be a radius. Radius is a straight line. Radius is a straight line from center of the or of a circle to the circumference of the circle. So this part is called the radius of the circle. So if it has two radius, means this one, that is OB, OA and OB, these two forms radii. So these two forms radii. So radius, so more than one radius in a circle is called a radii. So this also I will write, if two or more of them means radius, they are referred as two as radii or ADII. Anywhere I have marked here. So this is the definition of radius and radii. So this is the diagram, two tangents to the circle, two radii and one dotted line which joins P and O. So what we have to do first, OA, so OA, I'll write the OA and OB are the radii of the circle. So we know what is the radii now. More than one radius to the circle is called as a radii. After this we write PA and PB or tangents or two tangents. Okay, next angle or PAO is equal to 90 degrees and angle PBO, this is also 90 degrees. So next, this forms a quadrilateral as we saw in the previous problem. So there are four angles. So in the quadrilateral, that is OA, start from your OA PB, angle BOA, angle BOA is equal to how much? 180 minus, so angle, so sum of the angles is 360 degrees, but only that is BOA is 180 degree minus this 80 degrees. Minus 80 degrees is equal to 100 degrees. So we have that is angle POA, that is POA. This is half the quadrilateral, therefore is equal to half of AOB, half of AOB. So since there are two triangles, see here, which forms a quadrilateral. So we are taking POA is equal to of AOB. So therefore substitute the values of, then for AOB how much we got? That is we got 180 here. So this one 80, okay. This into 100 is equal to 1's 250's, we are getting 50 degree. Finally we write POA, we have to find out as in the question, is equal to 50 degrees. So this is how to find out. So option A is the correct answer. Mark the option A, which is the 50 degrees. So we move on to the next one. Next question, that is the fourth question. So fourth question, we have to prove. So 3 multiple choice questions we finished. The fourth one is a proof. So prove that the tangents drawn to the end of the diameter of the circle are parallel. So this is the circle, 2 tangents, that is PQ and RS to the circle, with the center marked as O, and this is a line joining the 2 tangents. So we'll start. So we have to prove that the tangents drawn at the end of the diameter of the circle are parallel. These 2 are parallel. So first step is AOB. So what is the AOB? Is the AOB. This is the AOB is the diameter of the circle with center O. So AOB is the diameter of the circle with center O. This is the first point. Then tangents are PAQ. So the tangent PAQ, the tangent PAQ is at the endpoint A. This one. This is the endpoint A. Next, the tangent or BS is at the endpoint B. So this tangent is at the endpoint B. After this, so what is OA is? Since AOB is the diameter, OA is the radius of the circle. Then so consider tangent PAQ, therefore angle PAO is equal to 90 degrees. So we take the first tangent, that is considering the tangent 1, that is PAQ, PAO is 90 degrees. Next, tangent, consider tangent RBS. So angle, same thing, RBO. We can take it as 90 degrees. So now add both the angles. So now PAO plus RBO is equal to, that is 90 degrees plus 90 degrees, which is equal to 180 degrees. So therefore AB. So what is the AB here? AB intersects straight lines or tangents. We can write straight lines or tangents. This one, see, AB, this intersect means these two intersect. This AB PAQ tangent or RBS tangent. So we can also write it as straight lines PAQ and RBS. Finally, we can write sum of a pair of interior angles. Sum of pair of interior angles is 180 degrees. Therefore, thus we can write the lines are parallel to each other. So we got the sum of the interior angles as 180 degrees and the lines are parallel to each other. Therefore, we can write as finally PQ is parallel to RS. So this line PQ is parallel to RS. So hence proved. So we have to prove that only these two tangents are parallel. So hence proved. So this is the solution for the first 4 problem in the exercise 4.2. If you have any doubts, comment me, subscribe my channel, share and like all the videos. Thank you.